To resolve issues with a speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, it's essential to identify the cause of the problem. Common causes include Bluetooth not being enabled on the phone, the speaker's Bluetooth not being in pairing mode, or the speaker being connected to another device. To fix the connection problem, start by checking if Bluetooth is enabled on the mobile phone. This often involves opening the Bluetooth settings menu and toggling the switch to the on position, which may require consulting the phone's manual for specific instructions. Next, ensure the speaker's Bluetooth is in pairing mode, as some speakers automatically enter this mode when turned on, while others require manual activation, typically by pressing the power button for a few seconds until a notification is received. If this doesn't work, refer to the product manual for guidance. Once the speaker is in pairing mode, it can be paired with the phone. Additionally, check if the speaker is connected to another device, as it may be linked to a laptop, another phone, or other devices capable of playing audio, and disconnect any unnecessary connections. By following these steps, the Bluetooth connection issue should be resolved.